Collection. My name is Rafael. I'm the owner here. It started back in 2011. When I graduated high school, I got into the hobby and I dove right in, and this has been my life since then. The coral reefs everywhere in the world, in tropical environments, the Pacific, the Atlantic, down by Australia. Here in the United States, we do have coral reefs down in the Keys, but most of our corals are imported from overseas, usually the Indo-Pacific, Indonesia, Australia, used to be Fiji, Tonga even. A lot of places have been closing down and been more limited, so it's getting harder to get corals. So the hobby is gearing more towards aquaculture, which is the best thing that could happen to the industry. Homegrown corals. I started my business back in 2013 doing services and growing, selling corals from home. And just last year, 2021, I finally was able to open up my shop, which was my dream for a long time, and finally got to do it by myself. And yeah, we're here in West Kendall, focused on saltwater. That's my passion. That's what I like to do. So I barely touch freshwater. Most people in the hobby are cool, man, and down to earth and down to help you, and very cool, friendly people. Not much shadiness out there. I ship to anywhere in the United States, in the continental United States. Anywhere, next day, overnight delivery. I just focus on the store, growing the store, growing my clientele. Few services that I could get to, but it's a lot. I just had a baby too, so in between the baby and the store, they're both my babies. I do a lot of Instagram, and I also do raffles and stuff, so I ship those corals out. You have to have a specific system. Pretty much anybody could do it from home, but it depends what you're trying to grow. Just the right conditions. It's all pretty much artificial. We're trying to replicate what nature does. But now, more than ever, the technology is out there, and it's made it easier for people to grow their own stuff. Just because of temperatures rising and pollution and stuff, I think, it's sad that our kids, further generations are not going to be able to enjoy the reefs. And also, we're going to lose a big part of the environment. A lot of the population, I'm not wrong, of animals live in coral reefs. There's huge populations that, they feed us, and the reefs protect us. So it's sad. We have to protect them. It's an animal. It grows. It grows to its environment. It reacts with its environment. It's also a plant in the sense that it has zooxanthellae inside its cells. So most of them are photosynthetic. There are exceptions, but a lot of them are photosynthetic, just like plants, and they make their own food. So yeah, both. I've seen, I think, on like bizarre foods, like in Italy, people eating anemones, but that's about it. And other sea animals, but corals, I don't know about that. Pretty much, most of them keep on reproducing, as long as the environment allows it to, so they're infinite. Most of them are infinite. On Instagram mainly, at thereefcollection.com. I do have a website. We're still building thereefcollection.com, and here locally, in West Kendall, 8901 Southwest 157th Ave, Unit 4. You'll see the fish wrap outside, and coming on and we'll help you.